welcome to Amanda's Crafty Corner. I am Amanda, and this is my Crafty Corner. Well, today, as I said, I'm going to teach everybody how to use the Google Lens. And as you can tell, I'm just kind of on Google. I have a whole bunch of tabs open, so just ignore all the tabs at the top because this is what I do. I have a lot of stuff that's open all the time. So once again, I'm going to go through how to use Google Lens because I know a lot of people have been worried about copyright issues. So I basically just did cross stitch patterns here. And what I will do, hold on, let's do, here, I will do anime cross stitch patterns. So we can do this. Basically, all I'm doing is I'm going to search this image. I'm going to click on the image. So let's click on, doesn't matter what image, but let's just click on that. So let's click on this image. And basically what you can do is up here in the corner, you're going to see this search in Google Lens. And what you do is you just kind of take it and you click on the picture, and then on the side here, it'll tell you exactly where to find this image. So here it says Itchy Stitchy. So this is the exact image. So here's a pattern, and there's a PDF of it, and you can visit the website. Now I was going to use one of the budget-friendly websites, but that's okay. I'm not going to do that just because I don't want, you know, any of them to come after me for this. So yeah, again, you're just going to do that so we can go back here. Let's look for another one. So let's just do cross stitch patterns. Once again, do this. You'll see everywhere here as well. Like you can just pick, here we go. We can do this. And again, you're just going to take a picture with the Google Lens and it'll show you the sewing shop. So you can see exactly where everything is. Um, and if they have other ones like this, so this is one again is the sewing shop. You can see similar ones on DeviantArt. So it'll give you a whole kit and caboodle of where you can find everything. So for those, like, once again, if you're kind of nervous on how, sorry, not on how, if your work is copyrighted or not, like what you buy is copyrighted, you can always come here. Um, you know what? We can just use one of the websites. I will use, let's use GBFK for example. I'll go here. Let's go to like here we go. So this is diamond painting. This one I already know. That's a Randall Spangler. I will only buy this from Diamond Art Club. This one I think is Mrs. Butterbur. Again, also a DAC. So these two I'm not even going to bother touching because I already know. But you could come to something like here, Crying Alarm Clock. Same thing. What you're going to do, you're going to hit this at the side here, and it's called Search with Google Lens. And then you're going to click the image, and it's going to show you. So we've got fan cells. You have similar ones here. Like you can see everything. So it's called Deep Dream Generator. So this is copyrighted. You can go to, let's go to new and cross stitch. We'll just do cross stitch. Again, this Mickey Mouse is fine because this one is now in the public domain. I believe this Mickey Mouse is in the public domain. But let's grab, say, let's grab a gnome. Let's just grab a gnome. Because I know a lot of people have been are loving the gnomes. So again, you take this, you take a picture of it, and it'll show you. Okay, so it's on Pinterest. Somebody has created it, but you can also see that it is on FG Normal, Biggest Craft, Tapestry Market, Fan Cells. Again, you're going to see a whole bunch. AliExpress. So, again, if you're worried it's been copyrighted, that is it. Pinterest is kind of one of those websites where you're not ever sure just because people create boards. But what I do is I kind of just take a look. So this is kind of similar to that. So again, if you're worried, we can do another one. Let's go back. We'll do another one. Let's grab. Um, I'll go to another page. Let's grab one of these dragons. Again, you're going to come over here, click here, search with Google Lens, grab your picture. I'm just going to grab the dragon, paint some white. Instagram, so somebody has created this dragon. So again, yes, it is copyrighted. This is the copyright, I say copyrighted, but it is stolen art. So again, and personally, anything that I see like this now, I don't bother. Um, I just don't. So this one I also know is taken from, I think this one was taken from elsewhere. I was looking at it the other day. Again, search with Google Lens. Here. Yes. So here we go. Somebody has created this. And they have a whole bunch of different images. So again, stolen art. So that's how I do it. And I kind of just keep going through everything. Here we can do this cute little deer. Now, if I think you can also, yeah, you can also click inspect. So, no, not, never mind, don't click inspect. But yeah, search with Google Lens, and then you select what you want. So Pinterest again, and then look, there's something on Etsy with it. So again, this is how I tell if something's been stolen or not, just because I'm always worried. But here's my little tutorial for you. So with that, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you for taking a look at this very, very short video. I promise I will have a stitch along coming soon. I'm just trying to finish up a couple other projects before I do that. Um, so yeah, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and if you know anybody else who likes this type of stuff, share my videos. Again, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I will see you all in my next video.